I'm here at the beginning, the entrance of the old walled city. There's the famous clock tower, the reloj. You want to meet people here? Always meet at the reloj. Everybody knows where that is. There's some more of the city, more of people is doing what's going on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're going to go inside and I'll show you some more. Just spectacular. Across from the old city, this is where they load up the boats for people to go to the islands. Except for that big one, which we're going to get up closer to. That's one of the old masted ships that used to come into Cartagena 400 and 500 years ago. I know this is going to sound weird, but this is interesting to me. This is one tree. Only one tree. Maybe the biggest and oldest tree, other than the sequoias, I think I've ever seen. This is what goes on under the biggest tree I have ever seen. Here's the main entry to the old city. The entries and the arches are not that large. They were just made for carts and horses, not for cars. I figured this was 500 years ago. Just got in through the walled city. Here comes some more things, bicycles and everything. These walls are really interesting. You can see they've been burnt. They've been here for a long time. They've been made from the stuff from the sea, from the coral. You look close at this. This is coral. It's crazy, the whole thing, inside and out. Then it's mixed with some brick, and then it's burnt. It's been here a long time. That's what the Hard Rock Cafe in Cartagena, Colombia looks like in July 2022. At Christmas time, this park is all lit up with Christmas lights for the Christmas season. All sorts of music, all sorts of things going on. Here's another example of everything that came out of the sea. These are all the posts on the columns. You can see one right after another. Crazy. Just a beautiful, huge church in the middle of one of the squares in old Cartagena. The old city, the old walled city.
That is built already. So just
you can walk almost the entire wall. There's places you can't, but I'm going to show you another spot near the sea. You can walk almost the entire wall. Look at the age of these. All weathered and torn. All through the city, there's these ramps to the top of the wall to push and pull all sorts of ammunition and gunpowder and everything they needed to fight any oncoming ship. That is Cafe Del Mar, which is known for where you want to go when it's sunset time. Remember, Cafe Del Mar, it's spectacular at sunset to look across the water. The world's largest oxymoron in front of the Catholic Church. As Gordo, the artist Gordo. But what's crazy is it's in this park, and this is the Catholic Church right here.